Here's how to fix allow camera access if it's missing on iPhone apps. Now, if you're in Instagram or Snapchat or CapCut and you wanted to be able to use your camera to take a photo or a video, but it's just not showing up as an option, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. The first thing that we'll do is head into your settings. From here, we need to check your screen time. So let's scroll down and tap on screen time here. And then again, scroll down until we get to content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. Now you can see towards the top is allowed apps and features. If I tap on that, you can see camera is toggled off. Make sure it is not toggled off. Either turn this on, which allows camera access on your phone, or you can go back and completely disable content and privacy restrictions if you don't need it. Now, the next thing you can check is, let's go all the way back to the beginning here. We'll scroll down and tap on privacy and security here. From here, you can see if I scroll down is the camera option. So I can tap on camera from here and I can make sure it is toggled on. For instance, for Instagram, if that was off, I can make sure it's on, as well as for Spotify or any other apps that I want. For Snapchat, I can turn these all on to enable them. Now, if it still doesn't work after all of that, let's go back to the beginning here and we'll tap on General. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset. We'll tap on reset here and reset all settings. This will bring all of the settings on your phone back to the factory default, including all the settings for permission from your camera on your iPhone to various apps. Now, if that doesn't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is going back out here, tapping on iPhone storage, and you're just going to find that specific app that's causing issues. Say it's Instagram. Just offload this app. This deletes all of the cache and temporary files, but it doesn't delete your data, and it force updates Instagram to the latest version. After you've done that, all you need to do is hop back into Instagram, and you should be good to go. If this helped you, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.